Hello everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. It's New Music Friday. Now to start us off, reggae superstar Shaggy, Rayvon and DJ Cassidy on If You Like Pina Coladas. The collab released today offers a fresh take on Rupert Holmes's iconic 1979 pop classic, Escape the Pina Colada song.
If you like pina colada, making love in the rain, skinny dipping in the ocean, pampered and entertained. If you like making love at midnight, oh yeah.
Shaggy, Rayvon and DJ Cassidy's relationship was reportedly sparked by popular series Pass the Mic last year. They later teamed up at Formula One event, which led to the three collaborating on this fresh project. Now Spice joins Rotimi for a collab with rapper Flo Rida. The song released this week is a high-energy summer anthem which pairs dancehall, Afrobeats and R&B for this fiery collab. Spice impresses on the track as she brings the authentic dancehall vibe. After a 2-year hiatus, breakout star Olivia Rodrigo, now 20, has released her first single, Vampire. Rodrigo co-wrote the song with producer Daniel Negro, who also worked with the star on her debut album Sawo. The Grammy winner, in an interview with the Rolling Stone, says it reflects the journey that she was going through and the anger that gets pent up in an experience like the one that the song is about. Now, a feel-good moment going into the weekend. Lewis Capaldi got emotional during his recent performance in England. During his set at the Glastonbury Festival last weekend, the artist began to experience tics from Tourette's syndrome on stage when the crowd stepped in to finish singing his mega hit single, Someone You Loved.
Somebody, just to know.
This was Lewis's first performance since he shared with fans in May that he would take a 3-week break from performing. Last September, the Scottish singer had been open to the public about being diagnosed with a nervous system condition. Now see you tonight. Hits 92 FM's Link and Drink in Franklin Town, and Rising Star editions continue tomorrow in Mandeville. I'm Daedran with the weekend edition of E-Prime. Be safe.